Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to easily upgrade to Spotify Premium. Let's get started. To upgrade to Spotify Premium, start by opening the Spotify app. You'll notice there's a premium section, but no option to purchase directly. This is because Spotify doesn't support in-app purchases on certain devices. Instead, open your web browser and go to Spotify's website at spotify.com. Once there, sign in to your account. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then select Premium. Next, click on Get Started. Choose your preferred payment method, either your credit or debit card or PayPal. If you're using a card, enter your card number, expiration date, and CVC. Once you've filled in the details, tap Buy Now. You're all set. Your Spotify account should now be upgraded to Premium. We hope this guide helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.